So I got a fresh wallet with my lucky number 16 soul. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate the nano arb bot. It's a arbitrage monitoring and execution bot. It uses Solana and Ethereum. So yeah, I have like 1K and 300 right here. I'm gonna demonstrate with this wallet. So basically you're gonna start the bot. You're gonna start now, and you're gonna import your Solana or Ethereum wallet. I'm gonna go with the Solana. You're gonna like send your Solana private key, and it will be like processed securely. It's gonna be deleted, and as soon as the wallet gets imported into the bot. So yeah, obviously the arbitrage bot needs to have access to the wallet so it can like execute trades automatically, and all you're gonna do is like watch it and watch it like execute trades, and it's gonna send you DMs of the profits and everything. So we're gonna like I'm gonna import my wallet right now. I just imported my private key right here, and like that, just Sol wallet imported successfully. Now you can import the other chain or activate the bot. So basically you can import another Ethereum wallet, or you can just activate the bot, and we're gonna go ahead and activate it. As soon as we do that, it's gonna start looking for profitable trades, and it's gonna monitor arbitrage opportunities and execute these trades. So basically we're gonna just activate it, and nano arb is activated. Now scanning Solana and Ethereum for opportunities. So basically we're gonna just sit here a bit until it's executing trades. And that was quick actually. Yeah, we got our first execution right here. The position was 4 Sol, and the net profit was $5, which is really good. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait. There we go. More executions and more trades. We got another one with 5 Sol position and a $1 profit. And you're gonna like think this is like not much, right? But hey, it's passive income. Like you can run the bot all day long, and it's gonna keep bring in profits. So basically this is $10 right now, and it's gonna keep going. You can like leave it running 24/7 and it's gonna bring profits. There we go. More profits. $3, $3, and $3. Nice. We're at $17 right now. This is the total P&L. Yeah, and just like that, it's gonna keep on bringing profits. It like barely misses sometimes. Does not say profit. This says like missed opportunity or something like that, and it barely misses. So yeah, you can just like check it out for yourself. I would probably for a beginner, I would probably go in with like 5 Sol, test out the bot and everything. It's a really good starting point in my opinion. So you can like get good opportunities like this with positions that is less than 5 Sol, but your wallet's gonna be when the bot needs like a good position like this or like this, it's gonna the wallet's gonna provide that, right? So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's wait a bit and see if it executes more trades. There we go, more another trade with $4 profit. That's really good on a 2% edge. That's cool. Buy on Phoenix and sell on Orca. Yeah. So we're at 21 bucks profit right now. And it's gonna keep going, guys. So it's a really, really good opportunity for people who's trying to get into the arbitrage. And yeah, just go and check it out for yourself. The link is gonna be in the description below. And this is everything for today, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Okay, hold on. Now we're at 24 bucks profit. Yeah, it's gonna keep going. I'm telling you guys. So I'll see you on the next video. What's going on, everybody? I have a quick update on the Nano Arbot. So I let it like run for a bit, and it's bringing me profits at 112 bucks right now. Yeah, it executed a bunch of profitable trades, profitable arbitrage opportunities actually. So yeah, and it uses Solana and Ethereum. So you gotta check it out for yourself. It's been really good right now. It executes trades with the positions at like 5 sol, 5 sol, 4 sol position. So yeah, I would most definitely go in and try it with 6 sol or 5 sol on a wallet. So yeah, that way it's gonna bring more like opportunities like this: 4 bucks profit, 3 bucks profit, 4 and 3. And yeah, it's gonna keep on like bringing these sweet profits for you. So I'm at like 112 bucks right now, and it's like farming profits at this point. At this point, so yeah, it's a really sweet and very, very high speed bot. So if you're trying to get onto the arbitrage, okay, hold on. There's a bunch of trades that has been executed by the bot, and we're at like 120 bucks right now, which is really, really good. I've never seen it go this wild before. So yeah, this is a almost 5 bucks profit. This is 0. That's 70 cents profit, and 3.8 bucks. And yeah, it's finding opportunities on Solana and Ethereum, and finding these 1 to 2% edge, and it's executing trades based on that. So even like 0.16% edge, it executes this trading opportunity on arbitrage opportunity on the it's buying like on Mango markets and selling on Radium. So yeah, there's the difference between these two markets. So it finds these opportunities, and it's executing like trades and monitoring them. So yeah, it's a really nice bot, and I think it's gonna keep on bringing profits. So if you're trying to like try it or test it out, I'm gonna leave the bot link on the description below. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Oh, hold on. We're at 132 bucks profit right now, which is really good. And I'm gonna leave it running like that. We're at like 17.6 sol. Yeah, nice. That is some nice profits. It's a passive income, obviously, so you can leave it overnight and it's gonna keep bringing profits to you. So yeah, that's everything for today, guys. I'll leave the bot link on the description below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.